how to get trade tokens in Clash Royale. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this there are different ways. The first one being that when you open up the shop and scroll down, over here you get this trader and you can trade with different cards over here, and you can check out this section every day and find out if there's some card that you can get using this place. The other way is that you can simply open up the reward section, and over here you might get trade tokens if in case it is there for you. And there are some other tasks as well on the screen that you can use and check whether you get the trade tokens. And the other way is that you open up the clan section and join up any particular clan over here and then participate in the clan tournaments and the matches and wars, and this way in the rewards you might get trade tokens. The other way could be joining the global tournaments, and in the global tournaments you get a good amount of trade tokens, and these are some ways that you can use in order to get the trade tokens. I hope this short video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.